Hello everyone, this is Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make scalloped potatoes and ham. And you know what? It is a great way to use leftover ham or to make a one-pot meal, or you know what, anytime you just really kind of want to stretch out your grocery budget. So in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, I have added a couple teaspoons of butter to keep the potatoes from sticking, and we're also going to use about 2 pounds of potatoes. Now I've sliced these evenly with a mandolin. I sliced them at about a 3/8 inch slice. You don't have a mandolin, guess what? You can use a knife. It's gonna work just as good. The real key in this recipe is making sure the potatoes are all of the same thickness so they all cook evenly. Now let me let you in on a little secret here. What's the key to this dish? Seasoning each layer of the potatoes with a little bit of salt and pepper. It really makes sure that the dish is evenly spiced and it tastes really, really good. So a little touch of salt and pepper. Now if you happen to have some white pepper, go for that. It adds a great kick to this. So for this whole dish, I'm using about 6 to 8 ounces of ham. And it is a great way, again, to use up ham. Now if you don't have ham on hand, you could use sausage. Smoked sausage tastes amazing. If you have a couple leftover bratwurst, just slice those up in little rounds and it's gonna be fantastic. So for the cheese, I'm actually using Gruyere cheese. Other cheeses that I've done this with is Emmentaler, Jarlsberg cheese, and I believe Monterey Jack would work well. You basically want a mild flavor of cheese that melts easily. So you could do a nice cheddar or a Colby if you like. So this dish is really, really easy to make. Again, all we're doing is a layer of potatoes, a little bit of salt and pepper, then a little bit of ham and a little bit of cheese. And that's all there is to this dish. Now I'm gonna bake this in the oven uncovered for about 45 minutes. And the top is gonna be golden browned. You know what, if you don't wanna use cheese for this recipe, you can put a few pats of butter on the top, and guess what? The top's gonna brown just as well. But you can see this is really, really easy to do. There's no reason why you shouldn't give this one a try. So when we cook this dish, we're gonna have to add a little bit of milk or heavy cream to this dish. Now my preference is for the heavy cream, and why that is that it just makes for a better result. The whole casserole is gonna be much more thick, it's gonna stand up, and it's gonna reheat better than milk. I found that when I've used skim milk or 2%, that the potatoes and everything, it becomes a little weepy and it just doesn't come out as well. You have a lot of excess water that way. The heavy cream or the whole milk really does well. So we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And there you go, that's it. It's gonna be a fantastic dish to try. It stands alone on itself as a main, or it makes for a great side. And here you can see it is all golden brown in its glory. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It's a great way to use up leftover ham, sausage, or anything else that you like. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. I release videos every Sunday and Wednesday on YouTube. Make copycat recipes there, or Stephanie Manley. And drop me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear how you use up ham or how you turn leftovers into magical new meals. I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.